Welcome back. We're working on section 2.2, percents. And percent, as you guys know, is per 100. Percent is calculated by taking the partial amount and dividing it by the whole amount, and that is our percent. Okay? So we'll get an answer that's very likely a decimal. If we get an answer when we do that division of 0.47, well, we know that that would be 47%. And if we get a number greater than 1, well, that's okay too. You might get a number like 3.58. I should use numbers that are easier for me to draw. Okay, we'll use 3.58. Okay, well, that would be 358%. Okay, so percent, 1% as a fraction would be 1/100th, 1% as a decimal, 0.01. We can also calculate the percent change in something. Okay, the percent change, how much it changes as a percent, is essentially just the new price minus the original price, okay, which is our change in price. New minus the original is our change. That triangle is delta, means change in price, divided by the original price. So percent change is simply the change in price over the original price, or the new minus the old, divided by the original. Okay, so for example, if something was originally $80, maybe a pair of cross-country spikes were $80, and then the new price was $92, we'd want to calculate the percent change. For some of you guys, this might be an eyeball problem, but our new price, we'd simply take 92 minus 80 over 80, which is 12 over 80. That's our change in price divided by our original price. Both of these have a factor of 4 in them, which is essentially just 3/20ths, but we want it as a percentage or over 100. 20 times 5 is 100. We end up multiplying both these by 5, top and bottom, and we get 15 over 100, or 15%. For some of you guys, this might have been an eyeball problem. Okay, you see that the original price is $80. 10% of 80 is 8, and then half of that is 4 more. So half of 10% is 5%. So the 10% plus the 5% gives you the 15%. So that's how to calculate the percent change. So go ahead and go into your textbook, try problems 31 and 33 on page 59. Put those two problems in your notes, bring them to class, and we'll talk about it then. That takes care of percents.